Spending years on a BBA only to step into a job feeling unprepared? You are not alone. Here is why traditional business degrees leave graduates clueless in the real workplace and how you can actually bridge the gap. Have you ever graduated with a BBA and realized your degree didn't prepare you for actual work? Today, we are breaking down the key gaps between what you learn in school and what's expected in the workplace. We will cover theory with practice, skills you likely missed, and practical ways to bridge the gap. Most most BBA and MBA programs focus on theory and structured exercises. Students practice solving problems in controlled academic settings, which often differ from real world workflows. Graduates often face a shock. The workplace requires problem solving under uncertainty, collaboration, and tools based skills, which academic programs may not fully prepared. Soft skills matter as much as technical knowledge. Many BBA students get limited experience working in teams, handling deadlines, or presenting insights effectively. Practical workplace tools aren't always taught in BBA programs. Knowledge of Excel, Google Sheets, ERP systems, or workflow platforms is often learned on the job. Even if you understand theory, applying it in business software reporting processes can be challenging. This gap highlights the difference between academic learning and practical application. Internships provide a bridge between theory and practice, helping students develop confidence, learn industry tools, and adapt to organizational environments. Students can supplement their BBA with self driven learning, trying real life projects or simulated business scenarios, develops problem solving and technical skills beyond the classroom. Using pre-built tools or templates can accelerate learning. For example, creating simple business reports, financial tracking sheets, or project dashboards builds hands-on skills. Freelancing offers a practical environment to apply business knowledge. Students can experiment with real projects while improving communication and project management. Graduates often overestimate how transferable academic performance is to work. Being aware of the gap helps you take proactive steps to develop real world skills. A portfolio, even academic or self initiated projects, signals your ability to apply knowledge. Employers value demonstrable skills more than theoretical grades. Concrete steps make the transition from classroom to workplace smoother. Developing both technical and soft skills early gives students a measurable advantage. Main takeaway for you is that BBA gives you the basics. But to succeed in the real world, you need three things. Number one, get practical experience. Work on real projects or internships. Number two, learn tools like MS Office, Google Office, and other industry standard tools. Number three, develop soft skills, communication, teamwork, problem solving. Apply what you have learned, practice real world tasks, and explore extra resources. Share in the comments any challenges you face moving from BBA studies to workplace readiness. Thank you very much.